In today's video, we'll explore everything you need to know about Krayin CRM, an open-source CRM solution built on Laravel. This overview will prepare you to get started using Krayin CRM. Without further ado, let's jump straight into their website. When you visit the Krayin CRM website, you'll find yourself on a user-friendly homepage designed to help you get started quickly. Right from the homepage, you'll have two main options: downloading the CRM software or exploring the demo version. If you're new to Krayin, the demo is a fantastic way to get a hands-on feel for how the system works before committing. It gives you a live experience of the features without requiring installation. For those who prefer a quick summary, the website also offers an introductory video, typically around a minute long. This video walks you through the key benefits and functionalities of Krayin CRM, making it easy to understand how it can streamline your business operations. In addition to these options, the homepage also features sections showcasing the platform's standout features, such as lead management, email integrations, and analytics. Scroll further, and you'll find a helpful resources section, including documentation and tutorials, to guide you through setup and usage. If you're ready to dive in, the download button provides access to the installation files along with step-by-step instructions. The entire process is designed to be smooth, ensuring you can get started with Krayin CRM in no time, whether you're a solo entrepreneur or managing a team. Let's explore the demo. While it loads, don't worry, it only takes a few moments. Let's take a step back and understand what Krayin CRM brings to the table. Krayin CRM is an advanced, open-source customer relationship management platform tailored for small to medium-sized businesses. Built on the Laravel framework, it offers a powerful, flexible solution that can adapt to your business needs. Unlike many rigid CRM tools, Krayin's open-source nature allows for extensive customization, letting you tweak features, workflows, and integrations to suit your operations perfectly. What sets Krayin CRM apart is its intuitive interface and focus on simplicity without compromising on functionality. Whether you're managing leads, tracking sales, or analyzing customer behavior, Krayin CRM provides a streamlined experience that helps you stay on top of your relationships. It's not just a tool for your sales team, it's a comprehensive solution for improving communication and boosting customer retention. Once the demo is loaded, you'll get hands-on access to all the core features. From tracking leads and organizing customer data to automating routine tasks, the demo provides a clear picture of how Krayin CRM can help you manage your business more effectively. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or managing a growing team, this tool is designed with your needs in mind. Alright, the demo has loaded. Once you're in, you'll land on the Krayin CRM dashboard, your central hub for managing all your customer data and business metrics. Right away, you'll notice the dashboard is clean and user-friendly, designed to give you an overview of your business performance at a glance. You'll see widgets displaying key metrics like total revenue, the number of active deals, open leads by stage, and top-performing services or products. There's also a section for upcoming tasks, making it easy to stay on top of deadlines and priorities. The demo dashboard gives you a feel for how the interface will look once you've input your own business data. It's fully customizable, meaning you can choose which metrics and widgets to display based on what's most important to you and your team. For example, if you focus on lead generation, you can prioritize visualizing leads by status and source. If you're tracking sales, the revenue summary or sales pipeline might take center stage. Each widget on the dashboard is interactive, so you can click to dive deeper into reports or specific sections of the CRM. This real-time, customizable experience ensures you're always just a few clicks away from actionable insights to drive your business forward. Before diving deeper into the demo, let's take a moment to highlight some of the standout features that make Krayin CRM an excellent choice for small to medium-sized businesses. Lead management. Efficiently track, organize, and nurture potential customer details. From identifying prospects to converting them into clients, Krayin helps you manage every stage of the lead lifecycle. You can even filter leads based on status, source, or priority for better targeting. Contact management. Maintain a single, centralized database for all your customer and contact information. You can store not just names and emails but also interactions, preferences, and custom notes, ensuring your team has all the context they need. Deal management. Visualize your sales progress with pipeline management tools. Krayin lets you manage deals across various pipelines, monitor their stages, and generate actionable insights. The customizable pipelines make it easy to adapt to your specific sales processes. Task management. Stay organized by assigning and tracking tasks related to leads, deals, or contacts. Task deadlines and built-in reminders help ensure your team never misses a follow-up, keeping operations smooth and efficient. Communicate seamlessly with customers by sending and receiving emails directly within the CRM. The built-in email integration also allows you to view the complete communication history with each client, giving you a full picture of your interactions. Krayin CRM offers unmatched flexibility, allowing you to adapt fields, modules, and workflows to fit your unique business processes. Its open-source structure means you can create tailored integrations with other tools and software your team already uses. Whether it's tweaking existing modules or adding entirely new ones, the platform grows with your business. Leverage powerful visual dashboards to track and analyze customer interactions, sales performance, and conversion rates. With customizable reports, you can drill down into specific metrics to understand trends, identify bottlenecks, and optimize your strategy for better results. Now, back to the demo dashboard. At the top of the dashboard, you'll notice a row of intuitive shortcuts, making it easy to add new leads, contacts, organizations, or even tasks with just a few clicks. This streamlines your workflow by eliminating the need to navigate through multiple menus. One feature that stands out is the dark mode option, perfect for users who spend long hours working or prefer a visually softer interface during late-night sessions. Switching between light and dark mode is seamless, allowing you to choose what's most comfortable for your eyes. Below the shortcuts, you'll find customizable widgets displaying an overview of your CRM activities, such as recent interactions, pending tasks, and sales progress. These widgets are fully adjustable, meaning you can prioritize the data most relevant to your business. Krayin CRM's dashboard isn't just about functionality, it's designed with user-friendliness in mind. Whether you're a CRM novice or a seasoned pro, the layout ensures you can navigate effortlessly while keeping everything you need front and center. The clean, responsive design also means it works smoothly across devices, ensuring productivity wherever you are. Let's walk through adding a lead. Start by clicking the plus icon in the top corner of the screen, then choose Add Lead from the drop-down menu. This opens up a simple form where you can input the basic details of the lead, such as the lead title, a brief description, expected close date, and estimated lead value. Next, you'll want to add the contact person associated with the lead. If they're already in your CRM system, you can easily select their name from a drop-down list. If they're not yet in your system, you can quickly add them by entering their email address, phone number, company, and other relevant details. Once all the necessary information is entered, double-check the details for accuracy, and then click Save. Your lead will be automatically added to the system, and you can start tracking its progress within your sales pipeline. The process is designed to be quick and straightforward, allowing you to stay organized without getting bogged down in complex forms. Plus, by linking contacts to leads, you can maintain an up-to-date database with minimal effort, making future outreach a breeze. Similarly, Krayin CRM makes it easy to create a variety of entries, all tailored to your business needs. Let's explore how you can manage each type of data. Quotes. To create a quote, simply add the details, including the products or services offered, prices, and terms. You can also include specific billing and shipping addresses, as well as any additional custom notes to ensure clarity. Once everything is filled in, you can generate a professional-looking quote ready to send to your client. You can easily compose, send, and track email conversations directly within the CRM. With full support for attachments, you can share important documents, contracts, and files without leaving the system. All emails are logged, providing a complete communication history with your contacts. Adding individual contacts is straightforward. You can include essential information like names, job titles, phone numbers, emails, and any other custom fields that apply to your business. This centralizes all your contact details in one place for quick access. For companies you work with, Krayin CRM allows you to store detailed records, such as their industry, contact details, business size, and other relevant data. This helps you maintain a comprehensive view of your partnerships. When managing your inventory or offering products, Krayin CRM allows you to save product names, descriptions, prices, SKUs, and even inventory levels. This makes it easier to manage orders and track sales. If you need additional fields, Krayin CRM lets you create custom attributes. These can be text-based, Boolean, yes/no, or even drop-down menus, allowing you to capture specific details that are unique to your business. Whether you're tracking customer preferences or specific project requirements, attributes make the CRM truly flexible. Each of these entries is designed to streamline your workflow and keep your data organized and easily accessible, enabling you to stay on top of your business without missing a beat. Krayin CRM provides an excellent feature for managing team roles and permissions, ensuring that each user has access to the appropriate information and tools based on their responsibilities. By creating and assigning custom roles, you can maintain strict control over what each user can see and do within the system. For example, you can define specific roles for salespeople, project managers, or admin staff. Sales team members might only need access to leads, quotes, and contacts, allowing them to focus on client acquisition and communication. Meanwhile, project managers could be granted access to deals, tasks, and project-related data, enabling them to oversee project progress and timelines. On the other hand, administrators could have access to everything, creating and managing roles, editing all data, and viewing reports. Each role comes with defined permissions that dictate who can create, view, edit, or delete particular items such as leads, quotes, deals, or contacts. This ensures data integrity and prevents unauthorized changes from being made. Additionally, Krayin CRM lets you assign descriptions to each role, so it's clear who should be doing what. These descriptions can be especially useful when there are multiple users or when training new team members. With role-based access, Krayin CRM helps you streamline workflows, improve collaboration, and protect sensitive business information. To add a new user to Krayin CRM, simply navigate to the User Management section. Here, you'll input the user's full name, email address, and create a secure password for them. Afterward, assign the appropriate role, such as sales, support, or administrator, depending on their responsibilities within your organization. Additionally, you can set the user's status to either active or inactive based on their current involvement in the system. If someone is temporarily away or no longer requires access, you can deactivate their account, which helps maintain security and proper access control. Once the details are entered, hit Save, and the new user will be successfully added to the CRM. They will then receive an email invitation with instructions on how to log in and get started. You can always edit or update user information later, whether it's changing their role, resetting passwords, or adjusting their access permissions. This flexibility ensures that Krayin CRM can scale with your team's changing needs while maintaining a smooth and secure operation. It's a powerful, open-source CRM tool with plenty of customization options to fit your needs.